South Africa. Sad news. I don't know how I'm going to say it. I don't know what I'm going to say. But then, the Miss South Africa is going to be it's wrapped up today, wrapping up today, grand finale of Miss South Africa. But then it's been wonderful with a good number of them shutting down to top 10 and then looking up to top 10 finalists. One of the young persons that made it to the final is Chidimma Vanessa Adesina Owing. But sadly, such a brilliant contestant had actually decided to step out of the contest following threats by some persons who are insisting, xenophobic people who are insisting that she's not a South African, despite being South African from birth. From birth, that's immigration laws. Beyond that, Chidimma's mother hails from Mozambique, and she has a father of a Nigerian descent. We do not know if